add moisture is an understatement. Like,
Welcome to AB Judge.
Girl, I'm pledging my love for you. I swear I could die for you. I'd do anything for you. I go anywhere for you.
hi guys, it's AV Judge here, and welcome to another video tutorial with me. So like up until now, I'm still confused in the style I will rock with this. Like, I was thinking, what will I do? Should I lose it? Should I pack it? Like, which style will I do? Like, I was confused, man. So finally I decided to do this style. I went in with my brush. I brushed in my edges, then pack the hair like so. Okay guys, this is the final look. Like, it came out looking so pretty and I love the final look. Like, you've watched the previous video, I took us through the process of making an okra gel, and after making the okra gel I applied it on my hair. I used it to twist my hair, just okra gel. I used just okra gel my hair. I carried it for 1 week. Like, this is exact 1 week of the twist. Like, can you, no, without even talking, can you like see these cars? Ha, just with okra gel. I was surprised. Like, I can achieve this just using okra gel. Like, I was like very surprised. And okra gel is a go-to for me now. Like, they say okra gel adds moisture to hair, and I was doubting it. I used it, and ha, add moisture is an understatement. Like, okra gel makes your hair so healthy. Like, you'll be feeling your hair like your hair is very healthy. Like, it add enough moisture to the hair. It makes the hair very soft and easy to comb. I can attest to that because I have a stubborn hair and I use just okra gel and it gave me this result. So okra gel can make your hair soft and very easy to comb. It makes your hair shiny and look very healthy. Like, can you see this hair? It looks really healthy, isn't it? Like, you have not tried this okra gel on your natural hair. Like, you're in a long thing. You need to try it. Like, you'll be surprised at what it will do to your hair. Like, you'll be looking at your hair, you'll be so proud of your hair. You like, oh wow, is this my hair? Like, my hair came out looking so healthy, like, and soft. It made my hair very soft. I have a very stubborn hair. Every time I do twisting, it doesn't come out this way. Like, there's this video I posted on my Twitter. I think I saw it now. It's the twist. You can see the difference. Like, the coils. Can you see the coils this okra gel gave me? Huh? Oh god. Like, this is the end of today's tutorial. I hope you enjoy the process. Like, I hope this information is helpful to you. You're gonna try it. Like, you need to try it. You need to give it a try. Thank you for watching till now. If you are yet to subscribe, come on, hit that subscribe button. It's all free of charge. Join the family. You will enjoy what you see here. If you have any question on okra gel, you can leave it there on the comment box below. So guys, I'll be leaving now, and to see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.